So I'm going to go to table of contents and go to the conditional statements here, and we need to discuss conditional statement. Conditional statements is in the form of an if-then. All right, there's the if-then. When you see an if-then statement, it's a conditional statement. All right, so a conditional statement is a statement that can be written in if-then form. The direction given below is an example of a conditional statement. So a conditional statement, you can say, is a statement in the if-then form. So let's look at this right here. If you would like to speak to a representative, then you will press 0 now. All right, so we have a conditional. We know it's a conditional because we have it in an if-then statement, okay? Where the if, everything after the if, this is called the hypothesis. All right, let's continue looking, and everything after then is the conclusion. All right, so here we have the if-then statement. This is all found on page 107, by the way. Now, we already know we've been discussing if-then statements, and it's in the form of P then Q. This is just a faster way. Instead of writing down if and then a big long series of words, right? We can now refer to P as the hypothesis and Q as the conclusion. Okay, so I told you we're going to go to conditional statements, so I'm going to go to table of contents, and the conclusion of a conditional statement is the phrase immediately following the word then. So everything after the word then is your conclusion. Okay, and notice over here we use the P for hypothesis and the Q for conclusion. Up here where it says P and then the arrow and then the Q is red if P then Q. You know, right there is the translation of that word right here. It goes if P then Q. You may also see it as P implies, where that arrow here is turned into this word implies the conclusion. Okay.